James, where's Wesley? Where's Wesley? Oh, you were just playing with him. James, show us Wesley. Oh, I'm a little distracted now, Mom. As soon as you turn on that video, I noticed there's a suitcase here that I must get in. Oh, wait. Hi there, Wesley. Yes. Oh, I'll turn the music off for you. Can you turn it back on? Oh, let's cuddle now, Wesley. Oh, Wesley, you're such a cool little brother. You too, James. You're the awesomest brother ever. Oh, we love each other, don't we? You know, we're going to grow up together. And we're so lucky because we have awesome parents, too. Yeah, we're lucky. I know, James, I know. It's going to be good. Just me and you. Yeah. Oh, we'll play in the laundry and, you know, have lots of fun together. I can't wait. Can't wait, James. I'll be there as soon as I can.